2 years, one sentence kept us going. बस एग्जाम खत्म हो जाए, फिर लाइफ सेट है. And then finally the exam ended. And the next morning, I still woke up at 6 a.m., opened YouTube, typed physics revision, and stopped halfway. अबे एग्जाम तो ओवर हो गया. And for some reason, that felt weird. Not emotional, not happy, just weird. Just like your brain was running on a autopilot mode for so long that nobody told it that the war is over. Hello everyone, I am Raman, a first year student at IIT Gandhinagar. Oh, cut. A second year student at IIT Gandhinagar, and in this video, I just want to talk about what happens after the exam that controlled 2 years of your lifespan suddenly ends. Because I think the strangest part about JEE is that after it's over, for the first time in years, there is no target, no to do list, no lectures running at 2x speed, and there is no countdowns constantly running in your mind. And whether you are at your home or sitting in a hostel room, that silence feels unfamiliar. You randomly take out your laptop and search something study related out of your habit, and then remember that there is nothing to prepare for anymore. And while everyone handles the pressure differently, every exam hall creates exact same type of students. फर्स्ट द टॉपर वंस. एग्जाम दे के ऐसे निकलेंगे जैसे एक नॉर्मल सा ट्यूसडे था. बस ठीक था. नो स्ट्रेस, नो इमोशन. एंड बाकी लोग तब तक लाइफ डिसीजंस रीथिंक कर रहे होते हैं. एंड देन देयर इज द ओवर थिंकर गाई. 43 में बी था या सी. निगेटिव मार्किंग हो गई शायद. अरे भाई आंसर की तो आने दे. एंड देन देयर इज माई फेवरेट कैटेगरी, द इमोशनली डेड पीपल, जिनको कोई मतलब नहीं है पेपर कैसा था, कितना टफ था. जस्ट वो गए और पेपर देकर आ गए. एंड नाउ ट्राइंग टू प्रोसेस व्हाट हैपेंड विद देम. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं भी उसी कैटेगरी में था. बिकॉज समवेयर ड्यूरिंग प्रिपरेशन जेई स्टॉप्ड फीलिंग लाइक एन एग्जाम. इट बिकेम योर रूटीन, इट बिकेम योर पर्सनैलिटी. योर लाइफ स्टार्टेड मूविंग अराउंड मार्क्स, मॉक टेस्ट, डेडलाइंस एंड कंपैरिजन. एक बैड मॉक स्कोर, होल वीक ruined. Taking a break, guilt. Sunday, scary. And then सोशल मीडिया पर कोई AI या 27 आके. But jokes apart, despite all of it, burnout, bad score, self-doubt, comparison, we still showed up every single day. After every bad mock, every breakdown, every bhai nahi hoga mujhse ab, we still woke up next morning and opened the book again. And honestly, that takes a lot of strength. And don't worry if right now it feels like competition is finally over. Trust me, कॉलेज में जाने के बाद एक ऐसा बंदा जरूर मिलेगा जो पूरे जेई फेज की याद दिलाएगा. जेई एंड्स, competition doesn't. And honestly, that is good also. But college life teaches something important. Life is not only about chasing next goal, next achievement, next rank, and next CGPA. At some point in your life, you start giving value to random 2 a.m. hostel conversations, night walks that go nowhere, sitting with friends and doing absolutely nothing productive, still having the best time. And honestly, nobody puts those moments in productive videos on YouTube. But those are the moments you remember later. So, what did these 2 years teach us? Not just physics, chemistry, and maths. They taught us how to keep moving forward when we are tired, how to rise after every failure, and how to survive pressure after every breakdown. And somewhere between these late night breakdowns, pressure, panic, and stress, हम सब थोड़े बड़े हो गए. So, whatever your exam went, amazing or absolutely terrible, stay. Not just till results, not just till counseling, stay till college. Actually, stay even after college. Because I don't think this channel is about JE anymore. It's going to be about figuring life out together. And honestly, life starts getting interesting once the thing you thought was everything finally ends. One exam can decide which college you go to, but it cannot decide your whole future. And after spending years running towards one future, maybe finally it's time to live the one. For the first time in last 2 years, tomorrow has no chapter to revision. So yeah, that's it. Again, myself Raman Rudra from IIT Gandhinagar, and you will see me around. See you in next one.
We make it pop off every single time that we're on. We make it bang like shotgun. Bottles on tap, let me pop one. We make it bang like shotgun. And if you want lyrics, I got some. We make it bang like shotgun.